exhibition is a public show of art. An industrial exhibition was held in Hockey Stadium in Faisalabad. I went to see the exhibition with my friends. We bought the tickets and entered the stadium. Many stalls were set up there. Thousands of industrial goods were displayed there. There were textile and electrical goods. Many stalls had agriculture products, crockery, embroidered clothes. Stalls of cosmetics, toys, shoes were very attractive. There was a great rush of people at the food stalls. The children were enjoying the merry-go-round and magic shows. We bought a beautiful blanket, a camera, and a computer. It was a very useful exhibition. We enjoyed it very much. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel Our Knowledge.